Good afternoon, Standard 10 students. This one, chapter 8, 8.1. I am going to solve some question. I have already explained you what is matrix and types of matrix. By using this type of matrix property, the first two exercise I am going to explain. So be careful here. First question. If a matrix has four elements, 8.1, question number 2 first. If a matrix has four elements, what are the possible order it can have? If a matrix have four elements, what type of eight? What are the possible order it can? Four elements. So either it will be, answer will be one row, four column, four row, one column, and second row, two row, two column. Right? What are the possible matrix? One row, four column, or four row, one column, or two row, two column. It is possible first. Second, if the matrix has 8 elements, what are the possible order it can have? If 8 elements, then answer is 1 row, 8 column, 8 row, 1 column, 2 row, 4 column, or 4 row, 2 column. 1 row, 1 is to 8, 1 row, 8 column, second 8 is to 1, 8 row, 1 column, then 2 is to 4, 2 row, 4 column, and last or 4 is to 2. These are the possible matrix. Now question number 3. First, Aij is equal to 2I minus j. 8. You have to write the matrix. So Aij is equal to 2I minus j. This is the condition. If we take A11, A12, A21, A22. A11 means first row, first column. First row, second column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Now this value we have to find. Aij is equal to 2I minus j. So first A11. First row, I is row and j is column. 2 is to 1, j is column 1, that is 1. A12. I 2, I 1 and j is 2 means 0. A21 means the condition given 2I minus j. Row is 2, column 2 is to 2, column is 1, that is 3. A22, so 2I, 2 into 2, column is also 2 means 2. Answer is 1, 0, 3, 2. This is our matrix. Do you follow? A11, first row, first column. I am taking by own this question. First row, first column. Then first row, second column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. These are the matrix I have taken. Now condition given 2I minus j. So Aij is equal to 2I minus j. So I means row, j means column. A11, so row is 1, column is 1. So 2 into 1 minus 1, that is 1. A12, 8. A12 means first row and column 2. 2 minus 2, 0. A21, second row, first column. So 2 into 2 minus 1, that is 3. A22, 2 row and 2 column, that is 2. So value is coming A11 is 1, A12 is 0, A21 is 3, A22 is 2. Put this value, this is our matrix. Right. This way we can find out the matrix. Now question number 4. 2x plus y, 3x minus 2y is equal to 5, 4. Right? Equal sign is there between the two matrix. So equate the corresponding element. 2x plus y is equal to 5 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. This is equation first, this is equation second. From these two, solve it simultaneously and find the value of x and y. This third second, Aij, I into j. Right. Now taking matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. Right. Now we have to find the value. A11, I is 1, J is 1, that is 1. A12, I is 1, J is 2, that is 2. Right. A21, I is 2, J is 1, that is 2. A22, I is 2, J is 2, that is 4. So matrix is 1, 2, 2, 4. This is our matrix. A is equal to 2 minus 1, 2, 0. B is equal to minus 3, 2, 4, 0. And C is equal to 1, 0, 0, 2. Then we have to find A plus X is equal to 2B plus C. We have to find the X matrix. Right? How will find? See, A is 2 minus 1, 2, 0. X we have to find 2B. So 2 minus 3, 2, 4, 0 plus C 1, 0, 0, 2. Right? So 2 minus 1, 2, 0 plus x. From 2, each element will be multiplied. Minus 6, 4, 8, 0 plus 1, 0, 0, 2. So 2 minus 1, 2, 0 plus x is equal to corresponding element will be added. So minus 6 plus 1 minus 5, 4 plus 0 4, 8 plus 0 8, 0 plus 2 2. 8. Now we have to find x. X is equal to minus 5, 4, 8, 2, minus 2, minus 1, 2, 0. So x is equal to corresponding element will be subtracted. Minus 5 and minus 2, minus 7. 4 and minus minus plus 1. 4 minus 1. 8 minus 2 and 2 minus 0, that is equal to minus 7, 5, this is 6 and this is 2. This is the value of x and this is our answer. Okay, so you have to solve some questions I will give you as a homework. Thank you.